for the fact that nobody is even ready to talk about the numerous military checkpoints that are currently mounted on the Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway. Very, 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 very disappointing. Ndibo, we are suffering. Why is it like this? Today I was just coming back from Enugu to Abia State. You can imagine how many checkpoints there were, all mounted against the road users. Not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, not six, not seven, not eight, not nine, not 10 military checkpoints. And what do they do there? Everybody must come down from their buses, from their vehicle to trek pass from one junction, from one point to the other. Any point that you get to, you will come down and pass and trek past the military checkpoints. Why are nobody complaining about this? Why are no voices being heard? The governors are not even interested. Is it how the security is now bad in the southeast? This is really, really disheartening and really frustrating. The road users are complaining. You will, a journey of, let's say, 2 hours, you will make it for 5 hours. A journey of 2 hours is now 5 hours because of the numerous checkpoints. I had to come down from every checkpoint, not one, not two, not three, just to get to Aba from Enugu. To get to Aba from Enugu. This is really, really sad. It is really, really sad. And I am calling on every well-meaning Igbo son and daughters to begin to talk about this. Let's talk about it. Yes? Why wouldn't we talk about it? Because it's really, really not helping matters. What is all this?